How to copy the link of any song or sound on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy any sound or music link on SoundCloud easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to SoundCloud app. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now let's choose any song here. Okay, I choose it this one. Now all what you have to do is go to those three dots right here and then go to copy link. Now the link is copied to clipboard. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.